What's going on, guys? So we're here back at Reality Customs, and behind me is the Supra, and today is the official day. So I'm going to take you around and show you some more body panels. I know you guys got to see it a little bit last time. I apologize if you can't hear me. They're starting the filters to suck everything out, but now we're going to spray the actual car itself. And if you guys can just see, you know, there was a lot of body work that had to be done, but this thing is coming out freaking incredible. And if you guys haven't watched the last video, you're gonna see the machine shop video first, and you're gonna see the new motor that's going to the Supra. And if you guys haven't checked that out, go check it out, because there's a big surprise in that video. The Supra actually got, and I had no idea this was happening, it got a 3.4 billet crankshaft, BC, Brian Cower. So it's actually gonna be a 3.4 stroker motor. But on this video, we'll talk about the paint process. So Bo, I believe, is getting ready to shoot it. Man, it's just incredible. All right, now let me show you guys some of the big pieces over here that you guys did not see last time. So that is the rear bumper, the hood. I mean, it just looks awesome. And Mark said this is the finished product. This is with 3 coats of clear. So, man. Got Bo back here doing a little custom job. Bro, that cooler you painted, that cooler is sick. The cooler?
Oh, dude, I got it. We already sold one.
That is sick.
Couldn't believe it.
I know, I talked to him. I'll talk to you in a minute about that. He wants you to paint a smoker.
Yeah, he told me about that too.
Yeah.
No, he liked the cooler.
The engine bay, is that finished? The engine bay, is that done? All right, so this is the engine bay, and that is, I mean, that is a big improvement from what it was last time. Man. What an incredible job on the engine bay. All right, guys, so here's a little update from outside the booth. So Mark said this is what? This is base coat.
Yeah, this is the second coat of base coat.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what happens?
Put one more coat of base coat on, and then we'll start clearing.
And then start clearing. Okay, so it's 3 base coats and then 3 clears,
yep.
Right? Awesome. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap it up. I got Bo in here behind me. He's gonna finish it up with the next base coat and then throw down some clear. And then we should be able to pick up the car in about a week or so. And then once the pistons get in, they'll assemble the motor, drop it in. So it's not too much further away before we get this thing on the dyno. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.